Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss Cosmo 2025. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. This is the updated highest ranking official of Miss Cosmo 2025. This is updated and official ranking for the votings for Miss Cosmo 2025 People's Choice. Ang mananalo sa kompetisyong ito ay siyang otomatikong papasok sa top 10 semi-finalists. And now let's begin our top 15 official and updated highest ranking. And now let's begin our top 15 candidates with Miss Netherlands with 219,035 votes. Our next spot, number 14, Miss Canada with 240,567 votes. Number 13 spot is none other than Miss Namibia with 249,559 votes. At number 12, Miss Dominican Republic with 278,350 votes. Number 11 spot is Miss Mexico with 282,861 votes. And now let's move on to our top 10 highest ranking in votings. Number 10, Miss Puerto Rico, Ana Paula with 420,480 votes. Number 9 spot is Miss Democratic Republic of Congo, Dorcas Nende with 466,145 votes. Number 8 is none other than Miss Sierra Leone, Marcella Momo with 480,956 votes. Number 7 is Miss Panama, Italy Mora with 514,841 votes. Number 6 spot is Miss USA, Yulina Linkis with 652,978 votes. And now let's move on to our top 5 highest ranking. Miss Myanmar, Myint Myat Mo with 831,347 votes. Number 4, Miss Nigeria, Tufunmi Adekola with 1,648,753 votes. And our third on the list is none other than Miss Vietnam, Nguyen Quang Phuong Lien with 2,347,889 votes. And of course, our top 2 and closer to win is Miss El Salvador, Raquel Menjivar with 2,738,451 votes. And of course, our leading and number 1 in votings, Miss Philippines, Chelsea Fernandez with 3,234,420 votes. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our top 15 official updated highest ranking in votings. Kaya naman po, continue to support your favorite Miss Cosmo 2025 candidates. And please continue to vote Miss Philippines Chelsea Fernandez. This is Nel2204. Don't forget to like and subscribe for us to give you more updates. Thank you so much for watching and see you on our next video. Into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from